Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java course 2023. In this video, we are going to discuss about break and continue keywords. So let's understand why break and continue keywords are used and what is their purpose. Basically, they are used mostly to control the behavior of the loops. Okay, so we have discussed about the three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and the do while loop. But there are sometimes we want to come out of the loop even though the condition is true, and sometimes we want to continue the loop when some condition when we encounter some type of condition or when we encounter some type of values, right? So here we'll understand the scenarios in which you can use break or continue. So suppose we have an example for int I equal to 0, okay, or let's take from 1, I equal to 0, I less than equal to 20, and I, let's increment I by 2 this time, okay, I into 2, right? Now what we will do is we will say, suppose you want to you want that, okay, whenever I encounter I equal to 8, I don't want 8 to be encountered. Suppose you are working in a project and there uh, encountering I equal to 8, it is very it seems very critical failure, okay, something of very severe damage. So you will say, okay, as soon as we encounter the value of I equal to 8, just break out of the loop, don't continue any further process. Then what will happen is you will just break out of the loop even if the condition remains true. And if the I is not equal to 8, till the point I is not equal to 8, just continue to print I. Suppose this is the logic you have written, okay. So, and after coming out of the loop, you say end of loop, okay. So now when you print it, what happens is whenever the value of I equal to 8, the control will directly come out of the loop without even going without executing this statement inside the loop, any statement inside the loop, okay. So if you try to run this, you see when first time I equal to 1, it is not equal to 8, so it prints the 1. Then I increments by 1 into 2 means 2 times, so I becomes 2. Then again it prints 2, then it increments by 2 again, so 2 into 2 is 4. Still the condition is not equal to 8, so it prints 4. Then it increments twice again, so 4 into 2 is 8. Now as soon as it encounters 8, it comes out of the loop and we are getting end of the loop. Now there can be instances where you might want that, okay, wait, I equal to 8, on that, yeah, we don't just want to discontinue the process, we want the process to go on, but we don't want the process to go for I equal to 8, okay. So in that case you can write continue. That's what even the meaning of continue, okay. Continue, okay. Continue means to continue something even if something happens, okay. There can be some situations in which you want to skip for that particular thing, okay. So you want to skip the logic of the loop that you have written here, that is that the current logic is to print the I, okay. So in this case you want that if I value is equal to 8, you want to continue ahead, you want that loop should continue, you don't want to uh, you don't want the logic in the loop to execute. So in that case, you can write the word continue, and once you write the word continue, anything below continue will not execute whenever the condition is true. Okay. So, and the control will come directly to this increment decrement statement. So if you try to execute it now, you'll see that for I equal to 1, 2, and 4, it got executed. But when it comes to I equal to 8, the loop went ahead. And then the value of I becomes 8 into 2, that is 16, and then 16 printed, and when the value of I then becomes 16 into 2, which is 32, then I less than equal to 20. Now this is the condition got false, so we come out of the loop naturally. Okay, so using break statement, using break keyword, we come out of the loop abruptly. Okay, even if the condition is true. But when we use continue, rather skip that particular value or skip the loop for that particular condition. Okay, so you can apply this break and continue in your while and do while loops also, and i leave you I leave that for you to do as an example, so to practice out it. And in the when you will practice some coding problems, whenever you will practice the coding problems, you will find that there is a huge amount of usage of break and continue keywords, and it's very much useful. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope to see you again in the next interesting video. Till then, bye bye.